In this video, I am going to teach you how to easily hide or unhide buy and sell arrows on your TradingView chart. This is useful for keeping your chart clean or showing your trade history when you need it. Let's get started. Go to TradingView.com, then sign in to your account to access your charts. Next, go to Product at the top and click Supercharts to open your main charting window. Click the gear icon at the top right corner to open your chart settings. Go to the trading section in the settings, scroll down, then check the box for executions to show the buy and sell arrows. If you want to hide them again, just repeat the same process and uncheck the box for executions. And that's how to hide or unhide buy-sell arrows in TradingView. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful guides. See you next time!